Afternoon, welcome. Left off yesterday, ordered the sills, cut up the rear quarters. Today, I've gone and bought a door. Because, I'm not sure if you've seen, but this one has some beautiful Spanish texture. And I decided I didn't want it like that. So I've had a zip up to Civic and I've gone and brought myself a complete passenger door. Let's have a look. And here she is, supposedly in primer. So we're going to have to strip it down and take everything off. But it was nice and cheap, so I don't mind. And it's not rotten, which is always a bonus. But I'm going to get it into the unit and we'll have a look then. On a little side note, I ordered that spot weld cutting tool. So we're going to have to test that out. So the plan will be to cut the spot welds on that rear quarter and take it off complete. Nice. So yeah.
Fuck off.
Here's the kit. It looks like someone's used it before because the paint's come off. Sound. To put that on there and drill the rivets out. Let's give it a go. Wee bit of lubrication. Punch the hole. Let's give it a go. Hot bits. Looks like it's worked. I actually think it might have worked. It's a little bit difficult with one hand. I'm just going to crack on with that. So I had to get the nippy nips and give it a good pull. All I've got to do now is cut this here below this weld and that whole section will come out. Good tool. Very, very good tool. I just need to find my air saw bits now. I don't know where they are. We're starting to look somewhere now. I need to do a final cut of the panel. I've just test fitted that because I had to make the square hole in here, and I've also drilled the hole for this to come out of. I don't know where that's gone, but yeah, there's a little water pipe that comes out here. We're actually getting somewhere now. Still nowhere near on the inside, but for a cheeky afternoon we're getting somewhere. I've got to wait the sill to come from, I think it was Latvia. A company over there sold the whole sill, but I'm going to cut that down. I only need this rear section and we'll be happy days. Let's show you the door quickly. So here's our lovely door. It's a little bit better condition than the other one, and we've got a bumper to fix off Chris's 180SX. because that was imported to the country and it's a bit worse for wear, so we're going to fiberglass that and we're going to paint it for him as well. So it's full steam ahead at the moment, there is no rest. I'm struggling to catch up with editing, I apologise, but I'm going to try and keep on top of it. Okay, so it didn't finish there. I decided to get the wing out and sand it down. I've just sort of roughed it up because this wing has got this amazing repair. You can see it follows the arch lovely. So what they've done is they've not even tried to hammer it out. They've just filled it with filler. I don't want to deal with that. So the car now has this lovely Kawasaki green panel. So I've still got the clips to put in. I've got to put one last bolt in there, which will pull that close. But I can't get to these two without the door coming off. But yeah, overall, it's not a bad panel. The panel gaps aren't terrible. With a bit of paint, it should look quite well. That's just ready for the sill, which you've already seen. The door, busy, yeah? The door, I'm going to sand the door down tomorrow, I think now. This is truly going to be the final goodbye for the night. It's nice to make a good bit of progress on the car. It's starting to not look as bad as it was. Still got to sort the inside out and the sill, but I'm waiting for them to come in the post. They might be about a week, but until then we can crack on with the other side. And also, I wasn't sure if I showed you, but swap everything off this door onto that door and then prep that door roughly so it's ready for sort of paint in the future. Overall, I'm happy. Been a good day, and that's going to be about it. Thank you for coming again. The end.